Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best slime is probably one of the most versatile and fun toys available today, offering endless hours of creative play for kids and adults alike. Whether you're looking for a satisfying sensory experience, a way to de-stress, or a fun craft project, slime has something for everyone. With so many different types, textures, and colors on the market, choosing the perfect slime can be a delightful challenge, and today we're diving into one that promises a lot of fun without breaking the bank. Number 5. Original Stationery Mini Unicorn Slime Kit. Embark on a magical journey of creativity with this enchanting slime kit. It's designed to spark imagination and provide hours of fun for young crafters. This dynamic kit is packed with everything needed to inspire young minds. It encourages imaginative play and fosters creativity through exciting crafting possibilities. Make any celebration extra special with this unicorn-themed kit. Its vibrant colors and sparkling elements create a festive atmosphere, perfect for parties and birthdays. This all-inclusive set offers endless creative potential. It's suitable for both home crafting sessions and lively party settings, providing a complete crafting experience. Delight the young creators in your life with this unique stationery-inspired kit. It beautifully combines creative play with a captivating unicorn theme, encouraging artistic exploration. What we like. If you love all things magical and sparkly, this is the slime for you. It comes with fun add-ins like clay and glitter, making it perfect for creating enchanting unicorn-themed crafts. This kit is ideal for kids who enjoy imaginative play and want to add a touch of fantasy to their crafting sessions, especially for unicorn enthusiasts. What people say. This slime is super stretchy and easy to play with. The texture is really satisfying, not too sticky, and holds its shape well. It comes in a variety of vibrant colors that are very appealing. Number 4. Stationery Galaxy Slime Kit for Kids. Embark on a cosmic adventure with this amazing slime kit, perfect for kids aged 8 to 12. Create mesmerizing galactic designs with glow-in-the-dark stars. Discover the joy of crafting with glittery pink, purple, and blue slimes. This kit offers a variety of vibrant add-ins for endless fun. Foster creativity and imaginative play with this glow-in-the-dark slime kit. It provides essential supplies for hours of entertainment and crafting sparkling mementos. This slime kit is an excellent choice for gifts for kids aged 10 to 12. It offers engaging activities and creative exploration for any young crafter. This make-your-own slime kit includes everything needed for a fun and creative experience. It's perfect for those who enjoy vibrant crafting. What we like. For the aspiring astronaut or stargazer, this slime kit offers an out-of-this-world experience. It features glow-in-the-dark elements and cosmic glitter, allowing you to create mesmerizing galactic designs. If you're looking for a slime that brings the wonders of space right to your fingertips, this is the perfect choice for creative, cosmic fun. What people say. The slime is very stretchy and easy to play with. It comes in a variety of colors and is not sticky. The slime is great for sensory play and stress relief. Number 3. Ultimate Slime Kit for Girls. Looking for the perfect activity that sparks imagination? Discover our Ultimate Slime Kit, packed with everything you need for hours of creative fun. This complete DIY kit includes over 50 different supplies, from vibrant crystal slime colors to glitter, foam beads, and more. It's all you need for endless slimy creations. Add an extra layer of magic with our glow-in-the-dark slime. Mix in the accessories to create slime that shines, providing an instant wow factor. This kit isn't just about messy fun, it helps develop motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It's a fantastic way to encourage creativity and provide stress relief for kids and teens. Crafted with eco-friendly, non-toxic materials, our slime is ASTM certified and borax-free, ensuring safe play for everyone. Enjoy peace of mind while they create. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just because, this slime kit makes an unforgettable gift. It's the ideal present for girls and boys aged 5 and up. What we like. If you want the ultimate slime-making extravaganza with endless possibilities, this kit is your best bet. It boasts over 50 different supplies, including a vast array of colors and glitters, ensuring hours of creative exploration. This is the ideal option for those who love variety and want a comprehensive, safe, and engaging slime experience for parties or solo play. What people say. This slime is super stretchy and easy to mold into different shapes. The texture is really satisfying, not too sticky, and holds its form well. It comes with fun add-ins like glitter and beads that make it extra entertaining. Number 2. Blue Latte Butter Slime. Introducing our delightful butter slime, inspired by the comforting scent of a coffee cup. It's soft, stretchy, and perfect for endless fun. This premium slime comes in a generous 7 ounces, 200 milliliters size, complete with charming coffee cup and chocolate accents. It's designed for quality and enjoyment. Looking for a way to unwind? This slime is your perfect companion for stress relief. Squeeze, fold, roll, and pull it for hours of calming entertainment. Enjoy a wonderful, mess-free experience. It's designed to be non-sticky, so you can pinch and pull it without any worries about it clinging to your hands. Keep your slime fresh and ready for play with its convenient container. Simply store it back in the jar when you're done to prevent it from drying out. Play with confidence. This slime is ASTM certified and completely safe for children and adults alike. Please remember it's not edible and intended for older children. What we like. If you're seeking a uniquely satisfying sensory experience, this butter slime is a must-try. Its incredibly soft, stretchy, and non-sticky texture is perfect for stress relief and endless fidgeting. The delightful coffee cup scent adds an extra layer of enjoyment, making it a wonderful choice for anyone looking for a calming and tactile play experience. What people say. This slime is super stretchy and easy to play with. The colors are vibrant and it doesn't stick to my hands. It comes in a good-sized container and lasts a long time. Number 1. Charming Blue Crunchy Fishbowl Bead Slime. Introducing our charming blue crunchy fishbowl bead slime. It's super soft, non-sticky, and incredibly fun to play with. This slime makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, parties, or even as a Christmas stocking stuffer. It's a guaranteed hit for both girls and boys. Experience a unique, cool sensation as you grip it. It provides a great fresh feeling without any stickiness. Its amazing texture is perfect for kids to explore, helping to cultivate their hands-on abilities and spark their imagination. Remember to store it back in its container after use to keep it fresh. If it becomes a little hard, simply warm the jar in water to restore its softness. While it has a pleasant scent, please remember it's not edible. We recommend adult supervision for children aged 6 and above. What we like. For those who love a delightful crunch and a cool sensation, this fishbowl bead slime is the perfect pick. Its unique texture provides a super satisfying tactile experience that's both fun and engaging. If you're looking for a slime that offers a great sensory experience and is ideal for creative play, this is an excellent option for birthday gifts or party favors. What people say. The slime is super stretchy and easy to mold into different shapes. It has a pleasant, subtle scent that isn't overpowering. The texture is smooth and satisfying to play with, not sticky at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.